everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make this very beautiful and very easy hat. I use 8mm hook and 8mm yarn. Make slip knot and chaining. I made 40 chains. Measure these chains around your head. You have your foundation chain worked, being careful not to twist the chains. Insert your hook into first chain, yarn over, pull through and slip stitch. Go to next chain, make one single crochet. Go to next chain, make one single crochet. Make one single crochet in each chain. One single crochet in each chain. Slip stitch, insert your hook into first chain, pull through and slip stitch. Make one chain for second row, yarn over, going to stitch from front loop, this loop, of under that. Insert your hook under that. Yarn over, insert your hook under a stitch and from front loop. Yarn over, bring yarn, pull through, make one half double crochet. For next stitch, yarn over, go to next stitch, into a stitch from here and crochet from back loop, pull through, yarn over, go to next stitch, make one half double crochet in front loop, from under stitch. Make 1/2 double crochet, yarn over, go to next stitch, go into this stitch from back loop. Make 1/2 double crochet in each stitch. Like this. Under stitch and front loop. Into a stitch and back loop. Yarn over, 1/2 double crochet in last stitch. Go to this chain, top of first stitch, a slip stitch, make a chain. In this row, yarn over, make 1/2 double crochet into first stitch from back loop. Yarn over, go to next stitch, make 1/2 double crochet, front loop, yarn over, go to next stitch, make 1/2 double crochet from back loop, make from front loop, make from back loop, and continue. Go to last stitch, make 1/2 double crochet from front loop, and slip stitch, make a chain, yarn over, make 1/2 double crochet from front loop, make 1/2 double crochet from back loop, and continue. A slip stitch, one chain, 1/2 double crochet from back loop, half double crochet from front loop. After 10 rows, a slip stitch, make a chain, and mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth stitch, skip 1 stitch, and mark next stitch. Skip one stitch from marked stitch 1 2 3 4 5, marked fifth stitch, one skip stitch, marked next stitch, skip one stitch, 1 2 3 4 5, and continue for this round. Yarn over, one half double crochet, loop, one half double crochet from back loop, front loop, back loop. In this stitch, in marked stitch, insert your hook into first mark stitch, skip this stitch, insert your hook into second marked stitch, pull through all of them. Yarn over, go to next stitch, one half double crochet in back loop, front loop, back loop, in this stitch, front loop, in marked stitch, front loop, pull through, go to next stitch, make one half double crochet from back loop, front loop, back loop. Insert your hook into marked stitches, pull through, and repeat. In this row, same as before, row, in this round, same as before round, we marked fifth stitch, 1 2 3 4. After 4 stitch marked, skip one stitch, marked this stitch, and start with crochet from back loop, front loop, back loop, front loop, and decrease this stitch from back loop, from back loop, insert your hook into this chain and this chain, pull through from back. Go to next chain, stitch from front loop, back loop, front loop, and decrease these stitches from back loop. Go to next stitch, crochet from front loop, a slip stitch, make a chain, same as before rows, make 1/2 double crochet from front loop, 1 2 3 4 until here. 4. After 1 2 3 4 4 stitches, take this stitch, skip this stitch, take this stitch on your hook and decrease these stitches and crochet same as this before rows. A slip stitch, make a chain, go to next stitch, pull through, go to next stitch, 1 2 3, pull through, 1 2 3, pull through,